Today we're going to demonstrate our technique for isolated extrusion repair. This is a very unique case. Patient had failed all non-operative treatments, had significant reduction in pain from a medial unloader with an ultrasound documentation of extrusion. This is a young patient with continued pain with ambulation. The entire meniscus was in good shape. There was no tearing throughout, even at the root, which was evaluated. You can see the extrusion with flexion and extension, as well as probing. There have been more recent studies on this condition, as it frequently goes undiagnosed and can lead to more rapid degenerative changes. Here we use a ball rasp to elevate off the tibiocapsular junction and to prepare for fixation. We do this similar technique in meniscal root tears with significant extrusion, but this is a more unique case without a meniscal root tear in otherwise healthy cartilage and meniscus. We prepare the surfaces. Here we're going to use the newer 1.8 FiberTax. We use a suture lasso from an anterior medial portal. We pass this through the meniscus in capsule. We like to do this intra-articular rather than extra-articular, which is older studies have demonstrated can be slightly more constraining, and there is some concern for capturing too much of the MCL. Here we have passed in a horizontal mattress fashion, and then we will pass the locking mechanism similar to the labral repairs, and we will pull this stitch down to relatively tight, but we'll leave it intact as we will sequentially tighten these after. And this is the benefit of the locking mechanism. We place a second anchor more anterior medially. We pass a suture lasso and we'll do a similar technique. We'll pass the passing suture up through the meniscocapsular junction, and then we'll place the suture lasso again. We load the passing suture backwards so we can pass this in a horizontal mattress fashion. And the key here is to avoid any suture bridge. Here's the horizontal mattress. You can see it pulling the meniscus back to the tibial plateau. We again engage the locking mechanism of the FiberTac. We'll sequentially pull this. You can see we're taking all the slack here. We were able to pull a little bit further and get further extrusion reduction. And then we will cut this suture, and then we'll go back to the posterior medial extrusion stitch, and we'll pull on this and sequentially tighten a little bit further the meniscocapsular junction to repair the meniscus extrusion. You can see here after probing, we've reduced at least 3 to 4 millimeters of extrusion. There's limited extrusion anteriorly. You can see with flexion extension there is no further extrusion of the meniscus beyond the plateau, and we've reduced at least 3 millimeters. We'll place them in a medial unloader. It is a similar weight-bearing progression to our meniscal root repairs, and we'll microfracture the notch to improve healing. Thank you.